Today we're making chocolate chip ice cream sandwich bars. And we're using my chocolate chip blondie recipe that I've modified specifically to make ice cream sandwich wafers. These are just so delicious because we have a lot of chocolate chips in here. Mix together 1 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar with 1/3 cup of melted butter that has been slightly cooled, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 room temperature eggs that have been slightly beaten. We're adding our dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of all-purpose flour with a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and baking powder. And fold in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Divide the dough evenly into 2 8x8 pans that are lined with parchment and greased with butter. Bake these 14 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. We're leaving our cookies in the pan for 10 minutes. Cut it in half, cut each half in half. Turn this 90 degrees and cut the entire piece in half. You can even these up a little if you want. They're just delicious cookies. They're soft, moist, and since they're going to be frozen, we don't want to overbake these. It's time to assemble our ice cream sandwiches. And you're going to use the 8x8 pan that you baked your cookie in and line that with some cling wrap. The first layer goes in upside down. Just look at all those chocolate chips. All right, just like so. You want to make sure you chill your cookies. I actually froze these. You want to bring your ice cream out about 10 minutes before you assemble your sandwiches. And I use about 1 quart of ice cream, so that's up to you how thick you want them. This is the recipe I use for no churn vanilla ice cream, and I made a video for this. It's called Fabulous No Churn Vanilla Ice Cream. The most important steps here are line your pan with some cling wrap so that you can remove your ice cream sandwiches. Chill or freeze your cookies. And the third important thing here is that you remember which direction you place the first layer. So you want to make sure they're going the same direction. I sort of seat the cookie in the soft ice cream because that helps level the ice cream. You're going to cover this with additional cling wrap and freeze it for a couple of hours. They are going to be so good. After your bars are frozen, simply lift them out of the pan. Peel away the cling wrap. Look at that. You can trim these up and eat the little pieces. I usually wrap them individually and you can keep them in the freezer for a couple of weeks.